Yesterday, I found a video called 100 People Reveal How Much Money They Have Saved. So I decided to watch it and judge the people. But before I start, I just want to tell you two quick things. First, if you think this video is 100% serious, and you need to go to a mental hospital. And second, a huge shout out to Stephan for basically creating this genre. Okay, let's start it.
How much money do you have in your savings?
Ooh, see, you in my business, don't do that.
How much money you got saved up?
You know that nervous laughter. Every single time your math teacher says that they're gonna email your parents your checkpoint grade. It's not good.
Depends on how you look at it.
Oh God.
Not sure if I'm confident about saying that one.
My mom always told me, don't tell people how much money you have and don't put your purse on the floor.
Yeah, I've heard that so many times. But I always wondered, why don't people tell their children how much they make? Money is really important in life. There's so many parents that just don't teach their kids about money, and they grow up and waste all their money, and it's stupid. But anyways, let's continue.
Do you not feel comfortable saying around how much you have saved?
Not really. I'm gonna keep it to myself.
Why?
Some stuff just needs to be private.
How much money do you have saved up?
Do I have to answer? I've been broke as hell before, but now I'm making six figures.
How much money you got?
Oh, I got money.
What you got?
I got money.
It's okay to talk about money, right?
Definitely. Let's air it out.
How much money do you have in savings?
500,000.
Good for him.
200,000?
30,000.
$28,000?
16.
16?
15, 12,
11.
11,000?
10.
Maybe have almost 10K?
$9,000.
$8,000.
Okay, these people are actually pretty well off. What I expected was people $500,000 in debt, but it's probably gonna come later in the video.
How much money do you have in your savings account?
I don't check the bank account because I don't need that negative energy in my life.
Hey, at least you're being honest here.
How much money do you have in savings?
Not as much as I'd like.
Do you make money?
I do make money.
How much you got?
Not that much.
Well, I don't have a whole lot saved up.
How much right now do you have in savings?
$500.
$200.
$135.
$120. Just wait until payday, man.
That's cutting it close, right?
Oh, it's cutting it close for sure.
Hey, at least you do have money. I know $120 isn't that much, but it's still pretty good.
A solid $100, and I feel very good about that. That's gonna be good eating for the next 2 weeks.
Just wait until rent rolls around.
How much money do you have in savings?
$60.
Well, the thing is that she's actually a lot better off than she thinks, just for the fact that she has braces. Those are pretty expensive.
$10?
Almost none.
No monies.
None. That ain't got in savings.
Why not?
Rather stay home and smoke weed.
You gotta respect the honesty here. You gotta respect it.
I gotta say that my Robinhood account is kind of...
Okay, I actually want to kind of check my socks right now. Let's go! They're plummeting down to earth again.
Do I have money? No.
I gave all of everything to my kids and my wife when I left. Through our divorce, I just left everything to them.
How much money do you got?
Right now I'm a current student, so I'm broke.
How much money do you have in savings?
That ain't none of your business.
I don't want my mom to know that.
I wonder if I should say this.
Man, go yourself. You don't know me.
Like I said before, you gotta respect the honesty. At least they said it's none of your business, and they're not pressured by the fact that the entire internet is watching.
Oh my gosh, I'm usually so comfortable about talking about this.
Is it hard to talk about money?
Yeah, bro. It's harder to talk about money to people that have more money or that are more stable than you.
Money is something that I was always taught not to talk about.
I think you should talk about money, just to the right person. Obviously, don't say it to a person that'll just bug you until you give them money. If it's the right person, you should talk to them, cause I think they'll give you good advice on how you should save more and just better advice in general.
Do you have any debt?
Ooh.
Am I allowed to say this on camera?
Do you have any debt?
Oh, I have a lot of debt.
Like, I got one light ticket that I just got a letter that said it went to collections.
Do you have any student debt?
Oh, yeah, I do.
For college, when I try to go, they'll never give me financial aid, so I pay for school myself.
How much debt do you have?
$5,000.
10,000?
20, 63.
$100,000 in debt. I went to a private college and it was a very dumb idea.
College is actually like so expensive, so it honestly sucks.
Do you have any debt?
Hospital debt, yep.
I have a few chronic conditions and I was uninsured.
Hospital bills in the United States also suck.
Do you have any debt?
I just paid off my debt.
Next month I'll be 100% debt free.
Well, good for them.
Are you good with money?
You know what? Yes.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Really good with money.
Why are you good with money?
My parents always encouraged me to like save.
I've been trying to be cheap to a fault, almost.
See, like, actually, like, talking to your kids about, like, money is, I would say, really important.
Saving money was better sooner than later.
I agree. Saving money is definitely better sooner than later.
Are you good with money?
No.
Why aren't you good with money?
Because if I make it, I spend it.
Again, I respect the honesty.
I love an eBay fashion find.
I do have a little shopping dependency.
How do you get by?
Not so much. I'm living month to month right now.
Unemployment this year has been, I'm still on it.
Sometimes I like talk to men and like get their money, but I don't do that anything with them. They want me to be their sugar baby like they want the sugar, but it's like, I just want your money.
Okay, I have a question. Like, you know the men that you talk to? Are they simps? Or are you just really good at convincing them to give you money? I honestly do wonder that, but that's the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, then tap the like button, because that'll really help out the YouTube algorithm. But anyways, until next time, I'm Shree.